I was a little surprised about how intense and in-depth the presenters are and how much information they're giving, and really the collaboration between everybody in the room. I'm very excited about that.
It has a great content for us, the operators, and the content varies with the conferences, so it's always something new, very valuable to us.
It's just a good source to keep up to date with what's happening. I mean, it's just you have different folks from, whether it's restaurants, from the industry, data, so a good source of information to keep up to date. So that'll be the reason why.
Oh, it's been a great conference. As a first-time attender, I've learned so much in a very short period of time. It's a great use of time. The speakers are excellent, and the amount of industry knowledge that is here is incredible.
A great chance to get information for everybody, just learn a bunch of new things, and then also to just meet other people and share ideas. So great day.
In the food service industry, I believe there are 3 large events. There's NRA, NAFEM, and MUFES. And when I explain it to people, I say that NRA is where you go to schmooze and find out what's new in the industry. NAFEM is where you go when you want to buy something, and MUFES is where you go when you want to learn something. So the events here at MUFES have been very educational for us and very enlightening, and I'm really glad that I'm here.